A quick heads up here on nat gas, gold and crude oil, starting with nat gas. But when I get to the gold analysis part of the video, I want to show you a very interesting situation. If you follow me from last couple of years, months, we had a nice double top there, and I want to show you the third way of entering double top. So hang in there if you want to learn how to trade double top, and we had a live example of that. So starting with nat gas here, what do we have here? So as per my yesterday's video, I've said that I'll be waiting to enter my buy trade either above 50 EMA with a bullish engulfer, which we didn't have, and then I said that I'll be looking to enter my buy trade from this zone. Now as you can see, the price did hit my zone and we do not have an entry condition yet. If you see this engulfing candle, not a valid pattern. If you are my MMTA full course member, you know that all conditions have not met here, and that is why we are not taking this as an entry, but we are still looking to take an entry, and I will give you the conditions. So let's talk here on 1 hour time frame. First, mark your rejection zone. So we're going to look for the entries on both time frames, 1 hour and 4 hours. So from the body till the wicks, mark your rejection zone like this and wait till price come back and hit this rejection area. It has to be inside this rejection area. Candle cannot close below this rejection area. If candle closed below this rejection area, then the double bottom entry will be invalid. So I want to see a rejection here followed by a green candle or an engulfing candle. Once we have that, we are good to go long from here. So I look for entry condition like this on 1 hour time frame. Now let's check on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, we already have the first bottom. So move your rejection area like this. So at this point, we can still get a hit of 20 EMA and then a pullback to rejection area. If that happens, followed by a green or engulfing candle or a pin bar, in that case, we will have a valid double bottom pattern. So that is the way I'm looking at with patience. Very important. Patience is very important. I know you want to be in the trade and make money, but there is no point of entering the trade without any condition. In that way, you will lose money and just wait for your position to come in a profit and hope, and there is no place of hope in the market. So all you need to do, wait for the condition, the one I've just given to you. Once the condition meets, we will enter our trade. So wait for that. We are in the buying area and trend continuation area. I'm just waiting for a rejection and then a possible push up out of nat gas. Let's check gold. Right here, like I said, I want to show you a very good condition. Now, if you are in my MMTA full course, you know this is the third way of entering double tops and double bottom. And if you follow me on YouTube closely, I have uploaded videos on double tops and double bottom, how to trade double tops and double bottoms several times, and links are also in the description. If you are purely learning out of analysis, you know we had a valid condition. Now 2 videos back, I've uploaded a video that I'll be looking for enter my double tops, and this was a zone I've already sent to the members, and I want to show you the nice condition. As you can see, the price did push up from the first bottom, pull back, we had a second bottom right here, pull back, we had a top right here, and the candle did not close above this rejection area. Once we had a double top, what do we have after that? We had a nice engulfing candle right here. So this was a trade I entered like this, and then price hit, take profit. So after the price hit, you take profit. You can either manage your trades or wait for the next way of entering double tops. So what do we have after that? Once the price forms the double top or double bottom pattern, it forms a neckline. So in this case, what do we have? Price push down and forms a neckline. Let me show you how to mark it right here. So this is the neckline of this pattern. The way you mark your neckline is from the wicks till the bodies, and mark your neckline like this. Now in that case, all we need to do, wait patiently. With patience, after this take profit hit, price did consolidate, push back down, and what do we have after that? We had a hit of this rejection area followed by an engulfing candle. If you say we had a rejection here, that is also a valid pattern. It is also a valid pattern. In both cases, the stop loss will be above this rejection area, and then I go 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And as you can see, the Fed news pushed the market, fueled the market down, and we had the technical condition as well. That is how we take our trades. So a quick lesson for you in case you trade double tops and double bottom, a chart patterns next time. So now price is falling down. We had a waterfall of the price due to Fed speech, and after that price is now pulling down. At this point, price has turned bearish and with a good momentum. So I'm only looking for my bearish trades at this point with some pullback. So with the pullback, I want to see a bearish engulfer and keep on taking my sell trades until the price hit this next recent level of support right here, which is 1872 goes up to 1806, from where we are going to enter our long trades. So have these zones on your charts. If we have a pullback, then I will enter my sell trades with condition until we hit this area of value. I hope you got a value out of this little lesson. Let's move on to crude oil. So crude oil is now pushing up, making new higher highs. As you can see, with the pullbacks, it always push high, pullback, it pushes high, and we are getting another pullback. Now again, I'm expecting a push up from here and hit of this area, either from 20 EMA, from where the price is at this point, or it can push down to 50 EMA and then push up again. In both conditions, I'm expecting another high and hit of this area, which I'll be mentioning from last couple of weeks, from where we are going to enter our sell trade. Again, patience is the key. I'll only enter my counter trade once the price is in my red zone. Doesn't matter if the price falls from here, I will not enter my trade. Only enter my trade from the area of value, which is right here above. I've mentioned in my last video all the points. If you want to take a look, go back and check my last video, from where I will be entering my sell trade using my engulfers, bearish engulfers, or my double top pattern. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, do not hesitate to contact me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. Have an awesome day ahead. Take care.